Good morning, children. Welcome back to our second session. I'm Sonali Man and I hope you all are fine just as I am. So, children, I hope you did revision of your blends yesterday that we practiced. Yes. Today we are going to do again a quick revision of blends but in an activity form. And then we are going to do some written revision in our class workbook. So, let's begin. So children, this is going to be our revision of blends with an activity. So what do I have here and what do we have to do? We have to pick the correct blend. So here I have all the blends and here I have all the pictures with words. But they are missing the blends. Yes. So we're going to look at the picture and we're going to place the correct blend to it. Okay. So let's start. So what do I have here? What is the first picture? Oh, lovely. It's a pretty pink dress. So it is dr. Dr is dr. So we're going to take dr from here and we are going to place it in this tiny box here. dr. Dress. 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 Next we have, what picture is this? Yes, it's frog. F-R-O-G, frog. So we will take F-R and we will place it slowly in the box like this. Okay, F-R-O-G, frog. Then we have, can anybody tell me what is this? Yes, it's glue. So we will pick up G-L right here and we will place it in its box. And the spelling is G-L-U-E, glue. Then what is this? Where is the arrow pointing? Yes, it's a thumb. So it is T-H. So we will place this here and the spelling will be T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Then we have, what is this next picture? Shark. Yes, So we will take S-H and place it here. And the spelling is S-H-A-R-K, shark. Then we have blocks. Yes, B-L. So where is B-L? Right here. So we will take B-L and we will place it here. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Then we have a picture of, yes, brush. So the blend is br. Br means B-R right here. So we will take BR and we will place it in the box. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Next we have, what is this? Yes, it's a pizza. But the arrow that is pointing is to a slice of pizza. That's right. So the blend we have to find is SL. So we will place it here. And the spelling is S-L-I-C-E, slice. Next we have, what is this picture? Yes, it looks like the rhyme that we sing, London Bridge. Yes, it's a bridge. So we have to find br. Where is br? Right here. So we will take this and we will place it here. And the spelling is B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge. Then we have, what color is this? Yes, it's one of my favorite color. Color blue. So blue starts with bl. Where is bl? Right here. Very good, children. B-L-U-E, blue. Next we have, what is this? Yes, it's a wheel. So, wheel starts with WH. Where is WH in this We have to pick the correct one right here. And we will place it here. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Then we have, yes, it's a cloud. Very good, children. So it's cl. Cl starts with CL. So we will take CL and we will place it here. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Then we have gr, grass. Gr. Yes, where is gr? Right here. We put it here and we read the word out. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Here the word is sleep. Sleep. So we will take S-L and we will place it here. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Then what is this? Yummy, yummy. Cheese. Ch. Where is C-H? Right here. And the word is cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Then we have sheep. Sh. Yes, very good. So where is sh in this? We have to pick the correct one. Right here. So we place it here. And the word is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Then what picture is this? Yes, it starts with gl. Glass, gl. So we will find GL right here and we will place it in the small box. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Then we have, what is this? Yes, it's a crown. Crown. C-R. Very good. So, spelling of crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Then we have clock. Very good. Clock. So we'll take CL and we'll place it here. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Then we have, what animal is this? Yes, water animal. It's a crab. So where is CR? Right here. So we place it here and C-R-A-B, crab. Then we have another water animal. What is this? Yes, it's a whale. Whale. Starts with the W-H. Right. So we take it and we place it here. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Then we have yummy, yummy. What is this? Grapes. Very good. Starts with gr. Where is gr in these blends? Right here. So we take it and we place it here. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Then we have drop. Dr. Very good. So we will take dr, D-R, and put it here. And the word becomes D-R-O-P, drop. Then we have a pretty red flower. Starts with fl. Fl. Right here. So we place it here. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And then we have flag. Very good. Our last word is flag. F-L-A-G, flag. So this was a quick revision of blends with pictures and an activity. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you'll open to page number 84 in your class workbook. And we will begin with today's date, which is 21.1.21. Fill in the correct letters below the given pictures, just like we did yesterday. The first picture is of a flock of birds. That's right. So the word is flock. F-L-O-C-K. Flock. Next we have, yes, it's a crow. C-R-O W, crow. Then what is this? Yes, it's a class. C, L, A, S, S, class. This is peep. P, E, E, peep. Okay. Next we have is a big ship. Yes, that's right. S, H, I, P, ship. And the last picture is globe. Very good. G, L, O, B, E, globe. Next, we have to open to page number 88 in our class workbook. And here we have to do another exercise called Who Am I? So what do we have to do here, children? We have a picture here. Underneath the picture, there's a box given where we have to write the correct blend. So we begin with today's date, which is 21.1.21. Okay. Now the first picture is, yes, brick. So we will write B, R, I, C, K. Brick. Next we have shoes. S, H, O, E, S. Shoes. Then what picture is this? Yes, drum. D, R, U, M, drum. Then we have a pretty frog. Very good. F, R, O, C, K, frog. Then we have crab. C, R, A, B, crab. And the last picture is wheel. Yes. W, H, E, E, L, wheel. You will also write the blends the same way I have written. Okay.
For your practice work for today, you will open your homework book to page number 80, where you will fill in the correct letters below the given pictures. This is one page, and the other page is page number 84. Here you will do Who am I? So you will write the full word below the given picture, just like we did in our class workbook. Okay, children?
So children, I hope you enjoyed this fun session. Keep practicing your blends. Till we meet again, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.